Are you seeing the "your connection is not private" error when trying to access your WordPress site? Don't worry. This error is essentially a warning from your web browser, signaling that the connection between your device and the website you're attempting to visit is not secure. In technical terms, this error usually occurs due to issues with the SSL/TLS certificate, which is responsible for encrypting your data and keeping your website safe. If the certificate is invalid, expired, or misconfigured, your browser blocks the connection to protect you. So, here are some simple yet effective solutions to fix the "your connection is not private" error on your WordPress site. Hey guys, it's James from gigapress.net. First, check your system date and time to ensure they are accurate. On Windows, right-click the clock on your taskbar and select Adjust Date and Time. Make sure the settings are correct. On Mac, go to System Preferences, choose Date and Time, and make sure the date and time settings are accurate. And on mobile devices, navigate to your device's settings, find the Date and Time option. Make sure it is set to Automatic or correct it manually. Next, try clearing your browser cache. Sometimes your browser may store outdated or corrupted data that can cause connectivity issues, including the error. If you're using Chrome, click on the 3 vertical dots in the upper right corner, click on Settings, and then select Delete Browsing Data. Make sure to check the Cached Images and Files, and then click on Delete Data. If you're using Mozilla Firefox, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper right corner. Go to Options and select Privacy and Security. Then, under Cookies and Site Data, click on Clear Data. And if you're using the Safari browser, click on Safari in the menu bar, select Preferences, then Privacy, click Manage Website Data, and then click Remove All. If that doesn't work, switch browsers to see if the error is specific to the one you're using. If the problem persists, there are more advanced solutions. Make sure your operating system and browser are fully updated, as outdated software can cause SSL issues. If you're using the Windows operating system, go to Settings and select Windows Update, and check for available updates. Then go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Updates, then install them and restart your computer. If you're using Mac OS, open System Preferences, then click on Software Update. To update your Chrome browser, click on the 3 dots at the top right corner, click on Help, and select About Chrome. The browser will automatically check for updates and install them. For Mozilla Firefox, click on the 3 lines in the upper right corner, go to Help, then About Firefox. Similar to Chrome, it will check for and install updates. For Microsoft Edge, click on the 3 dots in the upper right corner, go to Help and Feedback, then About Microsoft Edge. Next, you need to temporarily disable antivirus software or your VPN to check if they're interfering with the connection. Disabling your antivirus or VPN temporarily can help identify if they are the culprits. Open your antivirus software and look for an option to disable it. Usually it's under Settings or Tools. On your Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, then click on Manage Settings and turn off Real-Time Protection. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it and try accessing the website again. If you're using a VPN extension in your browser, disable it and refresh the page. Remember to re-enable your antivirus and VPN after troubleshooting to keep your system protected. If you are confident that the website is safe, you can manually bypass the warning in your browser by clicking Advanced at the bottom of the error message and then Proceed. But only proceed if you are confident that the website is secure. Avoid entering any personal information or sensitive data on the site. And that's it! By following these steps, you can resolve the "your connection is not private" error, maintain your online security, and ensure a smooth browsing experience. For more WordPress tutorials, our free WordPress Masterclass, and fast and reliable web hosting, visit gigapress.net. Thank you, and see you next time.